Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Our topic is LED display. So in that we have to study what is diode. Diode is a semiconductor device with two terminals, typically allowing the flow of current in one direction. Then we will see what is LED. LED is a light emitting diode, is a two lead semiconductor light source. It is a PN junction diode which emits light when activated. When a suitable voltage is applied to the leads, electrons are able to recombine with electron holes with the device, realizing energy in the form of photons. Light emitting diode. A light emitting diode is a semiconductor device that indicates visible light when an electric current passes through it. The light is not particularly bright, but in most LEDs it is monochromatic, occurring at a single wavelength. LEDs convert electrical energy into light energy. They are frequently used as pilot lights in electronic appliances to indicate whether the circuit is closed or not. We will see about LEDs. The most important part of the LEDs is the semiconductor chip located in the center of the bulb as shown in the right. The chip has two regions separated by a junction. The P region is dominated by positive electric charges and the N region is dominated by negative electric charges. The junction acts as a barrier to the flow of electrons between the P and the N regions. Only when sufficient voltage is applied to the semiconductor chip can the current flow and the electrons cross the junction in the P region. The working of LED is a PN junction can convert absorbed light energy into a proportional electric current. The same process is reversed here, that is, the PN junction emits light when electrical energy is applied to it. This phenomenon is generally called electroluminescence, which can be defined as the emission of light from under the influence of an electric field. The charge carriers electrons cross the N region and recombine with the holes existing in the P region. Free electrons are in the conduction band of energy level, while holes are in the valence energy band. Thus, the energy level of the holes will be lesser than the energy levels dissipated in the order to recombine the electrons and the holes. The energy is emitted in the form of heat and light. Here are some pictures of LEDs. You can see it. What about testing of LEDs? That is, never connect an LED directly to a battery or power supply. It will be destroyed almost instantly because too much current will pass through and burn it out. LEDs must have a resistor in series to limit the current to a safe value. For quick testing purposes, a 1K resistor is suitable for most LEDs if your supply voltage is 12 volt or less. Remember to connect the LED the correct way around. Here are some applications of LEDs, that are sensor applications, mobile applications, sign applications, LED signals, illuminations, indicators. What is illumination? Illumination are architectural lighting, signage, that are channel letters, machine vision, retail displays, emergency lighting, that is exit sign, neon replacement, bulb replacement, flashlights, outdoor ascent lighting, pathway marker lights. Indications: household appliances, VCR, DVD, stereo and other audio and video devices, toys or games, instrumentation, security equipment, switches. Advantages of LEDs are efficiency. LEDs emit more lumens per watt than incandescent light bulbs. The efficiency of LED lighting fixtures is not affected by shape and size, unlike fluorescent light bulbs or tubes. Color: LEDs can emit light of an intended color without using any color filter that traditional lighting without method need. This is more energy efficient and can lower initial cost. Size: LEDs can be very small, smaller than 2 mm square, and are easily attached to printed circuit boards. Warm-up time: LEDs light up very quickly. A typical red indicator LED will achieve full brightness in under even after response time. Cycling. LEDs are ideal for users subject to frequent on-off cycling, unlike incandescent and fluorescent lamps that fail faster when cycled often, or high-intensity discharge lamps that require a long time before restarting. These are advantages: high initial price and temperature dependence. Some are different types of LEDs that are flashing, bicolor, tricolor, RGB, filament, digital RGB, alphanumeric, decorative multicolor, etc. So guys, thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.